today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Google Classroom banner. By the end, you'll know how to refresh your class header with a theme color, choose from Google's built-in themes, and upload your own image for a more personal touch. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. On the Google homepage, look toward the top right for the Google Apps icon. It's the small grid of dots that opens a panel of Google services. Click that, then choose Classroom to open your classes. If you don't see it right away, you can scroll within that panel or use the search bar in Classroom to find it. Once you're inside Google Classroom, open the class you want to update. I'll use a sample class, but you can pick any class on your list. At the top of the class stream, you'll see the header area. Look for the Customize option near the banner controls and click it. This is your hub for changing the look and feel of your banner. Begin by selecting a theme color. This sets the overall accent and helps tie your visuals together. Aim for a color that aligns with your subject or your school's branding. Strong contrast here improves readability for your class name and topic, which sit right on top of the banner. Next, choose Select Photo. This opens the banner artwork options. If you want a quick, polished look, browse through, select a class theme. You'll see categories tailored to different subjects and styles. Pick a category that fits your course, then select a theme image you like. When you find the one that works, click Select Class Theme to apply it. Your banner will update instantly, paired with the color you chose earlier. If you'd rather showcase your own image, choose Upload Photo. This lets you bring in a header from your device, like a classroom photo, a branded graphic, or a simple pattern. For best results, go with a wide landscape image so important details aren't cropped out. High contrast images help your class titles stay legible, and clean, uncluttered designs tend to look more professional. Avoid any sensitive information or faces you don't have permission to share. That's all there is to it. You started on Google, opened the Google Apps menu, went into Classroom, chose your class, hit Customize, set a theme color, selected a photo, explored class themes, picked one you liked, applied it, and, if you prefer, uploaded your own image. With just a few clicks, your Google Classroom banner now reflects your style and sets the tone for your course. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly personalized class space.